This video shows how to install Yanhua VOLVO CEM 23 interface board. This interface board supports 2023 and 2024 Lynck and Co 01, 03, 09, etc. The interface board is specifically designed for the SPC5748C chip model CEM. 1. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the CEM according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Align the interface board with the CEM socket and align with the two positioning holes. 3. Press the interface board downward with your fingers. Push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board on the instrument. Yanhua VOLVO CEM interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data read.
Go to cell phone or PC ACDP app. Make sure the device it is on the top right corner. Click Volvo icon. Choose IMMO. Choose S60 2022. Click Read CEM Data by ICP. Choose SPC5748G. Click OK. Click Yes. Click OK. And detect all good. And detect all good. Click OK. Start to read CEM. Reading CEM password. Click OK. Downloading CEM file. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Read CEM password finish.